Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get logged out from your Viber account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, go ahead and access your Viber app, and in this chat section you could find all of your chats. For you to sign out, go ahead, tap on this three dot icon given as a more option, and even if you go over there, go to settings icon, and you cannot find this option called sign out. For that, again, go ahead, tap on account section. Again, there is nothing like that. You can find this deactivate account, where you can go ahead, deactivate account, but did not have sign out again. So for that, first of all, go ahead, back up your details from over here, and then you will go back to your settings, scroll down and go to this apps option. Again, tap on apps, search it up, and go to your Viber app. Now go to this option called storage over here and simply clear out all of your cache, including tap on this clear data as well. This way you will be able to clear out all of your data of your Viber, including account info, so you can go ahead, create a new one. That is the only way for you to sign out of your Viber account. And yes, I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.